So last concept is what? What is the last concept? Last concept I am asking. What is the last concept? Circumcenter, orthocenter, centroid. The concept is done. Correct? Okay. Now incenter and excenter will finish. Incenter. Actually, the incenter is point of intersection of internal bisectors, and it is also the center of insert. So here, in terms of the points, you can take triangle is given. So ABC. Then angle A is given, angle B is given, as well as angle C is given. So then internal bisectors we are taking. So these are the internal bisectors.
सर वो यहाँ पे लिख दिया है वाटर
इधर internal bisectors of angles. So write down definition. The point of intersection of the point of intersection of internal bisectors of angles. Internal bisectors of angles. The point of intersection of internal bisectors of angles is called an incenter. So symbol is called an incenter. So you can don't take now. I told you yesterday also. Again taking screenshot. Again you have to write all the classes. Better write the running notes only. That is best. Maybe I heard the good news. Compulsory. We are going to start the classes and discuss with management also. We are going to start the offline classes. I am hoping so. Better conditions will come. We'll see. Now write one formula. The coordinates of the coordinates of incenter. The coordinates of incenter of triangle ABC, where A is x1 comma y1, B is x2 comma y2, and C equal to x3 comma y3. I of x comma y equal to ax1 plus bx2 plus cx3 by a plus b plus c, ay1 plus by2 plus cy3 by a plus b plus c, where small a is opposite to a. So this will be the small a, this will be the small b, and this should be the small c. So small a is BC, small b is AC, and small c is AD. Lengths of the sides. These are what? Lengths of the sides. So note down this. Eccentres of the triangle. Eccentres of the triangle. This is also a little bit lengthy procedure. For eccentres, what we have to do is triangle is given ABC. So triangle is given ABC. Just wait. So we can take the x circles. There we have given the in circle. Here we are taking the x circles. How it will be? So ABC given. One is internal bisector. One is of internal bisector. Then another one is like this extension you have. So here the external angle is given, and here also we are given the external angle. So here also external angle of C. This is the internal angle and this is the external angle. So from here, this is the external bisector. So this is taken as IA. Same for B also. One internal bisector, and for A, this is the external bisector of angle, and here also one external bisector of angle. So this is what actually IB. Similarly, for C, if you have different pens you can use. So the extension here is one external bisector, and here is another external bisector, and this is known as our IC. So what is happening here is, so whatever the circle is connected with this, just this here I am able to draw the perfect diagram. So like this, the circle is touches the sides. So like this extension will be there. It is no need of going to the point like this. It should touches all the. It should touches all the sides. उधर डालो और उनमें डालो उधर भी डालो. So whatever the circle drawn, this is the x circle opposite to A, vertex A, and its center is I. So then initially these are all intersecting at only one point. So like this. So this is also this. So this is our eye. And whatever the circle is given, so that is our in circle. Able to see something better? Able to see the diagram? Okay, done. So one circle I have written. Same here also one more circle will come like this. And here also one more circle will come. So in center is nothing but point of intersection of any two internal bisectors of angles. Excenter is nothing but the point of intersection of one internal bisector. So for example, IA is nothing but this internal bisector of angle A, and these two are the external bisectors of angle B and C respectively. So finding in center very simple. Yeah, formula is easy. Even excenter also almost the same. Here we will get minus plus, just only difference. So see the importance of all these things. So three internal bisectors we can draw in any triangle. Point of intersection of any two is the incenter. External bisectors. So here we are given two external bisectors and one internal bisector, and all these are concurrent at IA. Concurrent means what? Three lines passes through the same point. If three lines passes through the same point, they are known as the concurrent lines. If 3 points lies on the same line, if 3 points lies on the same line, and they are known as collinear points. So IA will be the excenter opposite to A, IB will be the excenter opposite to B, and IC will be the excenter opposite to C. Now you can write the formula. The formula coordinates of what? Excenters of triangle ABC are, first IA will be, so here we have to take minus. Can you tell me what is IB? AX1 minus BX2 plus CX3 divided by A minus B plus C. AY1 minus BY2 plus CY3 divided by A minus B plus IC also we can define. IC also we can define AX1 plus BX2 minus CX3 divided by A plus B minus C, comma AY1 plus BY2 minus CY3 divided by A plus B minus. So excenter opposite to A, excenter opposite to B, and excenter opposite to C. So these are all the formula you can note down. Opposite to A, so just remember only for first one, then remaining sign changes. You know very well small a is BC, small b is AC, and small c is AB. So then you can take here formula. Not others. So the last one, 9.7. 9 point center. Just don't write anything. All of you see. So triangle is given. ABC. First, we are given DEF. So DEF are the midpoints. I am just seeing. Actually, okay. DEF we can take as the feet of the perpendiculars. So here the midpoints I am taking. D1, and we can take as E1, and here something like F1. So here what is happening is right angle is given here. So here right angle, here also right angle, and here also right angle. So here right angle is given. Then what is the point of intersection of all this? Little bit how the diagram will come. Okay. So midpoint of, so this is O if I take, this is A1, and this is B1, and this is A1 and this. See, I'm giving, just listen. Actually, this diagram only little bit of confusion. See, first first 3 points are here. So DEF, DEF are feet of perpendiculars. Next, D1, E1, and F1 are midpoints. Midpoints of sides. D1, E1, F1 are midpoints of sides. Next, A1, B1, C1 are midpoints of line joining, midpoint of line joining, orthocenter, and angular points. So these are the 9 points actually. So 3 points are feet of the perpendiculars. DEF and point of intersection is orthocenter. Mean they are the altitudes. And next 3 points are the midpoints of the sides D1, E1, and F1. And A1, B1, A1, B1, C1 are nothing but the midpoints of the line segment joining orthocenter and angular points are nothing but what ABs. Now The circle passes through all these 9 points. The circle passes through all these 9 points is known as 9 point circle, and its center is known as 9 point center. So, how to draw this? Just don't get afraid of the watching my diagram. I am very much weak in drawing the diagram. So now C1 should be. So passes through D, E, F, D1, E1 and F1. Very good. And A1, B1 and C1. Done. Okay. Are you able to see something? Best diagram here. I think so. You have to see it should be passes through first feet of the perpendiculars. D, E, F. D, E, F. Next midpoints D1, E1 and F1. Done. Next midpoints of line joining orthocenter and angle points. So here A1 passes through, here B1 passes through, here C. Is this? Are you looking this? Respond this. Able to looking? Okay. So now write the definition. A circle passes through a circle passes through circle passes through above points, above 9 points. Is called a 9 point circle. Is called a 9 point circle, and its center is called a 9 point center. Its center is called a 9 point center. So note down this definition. So 9 point center, the symbol is capital N. So I have taken the diagram. Take the diagram first. So what understood 9 point circle? Actually, from 9 point circle there is no question coming in entrance examination, but no problem. Yes, we should know. Understood 9 point circle? What is the 9 point circle? Understood for everyone? Respond fast. Understood 9 point circle. Respond fast. Very good. You can speak also, no problem. Okay. Just remember this. And some points are there that note I did. So tomorrow and day after tomorrow, even Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, I am going to discuss the questions on this topic, and we'll start locus also. There is no issue. I am planning to give you some material also for Saturday's exam. Coordinate chapter, some material I am going to give you. Okay, you can practice from that material. Yes, note you can do. In an equilateral triangle, in an equilateral triangle, equilateral triangle, centroid, orthocenter, circumcenter, incenter, centroid, orthocenter, circumcenter, incenter, and capital N. 9 point center are same, means coincidence, are coincidence. Okay, थोड़ा बाद में कॉल करो, थोड़ा बाद में कॉल करो ना, शाम को कॉल। अरे थोड़ा बिजी में हूँ मैंने। Second one, centroid, orthocenter, circumcenter, and I are collinear. All these are collinear. N is midpoint of N is midpoint of O and C. N is the midpoint of O and C. 9 point center is the midpoint of orthocenter. O and C they are using. I am using yes. 9 point center is the midpoint of orthocenter and circumcenter. One more point is radius of 9 point circle. 9 point circle is equal to 1 by 2 of circumcircle. Radius of 9 point circle is equal to 1 by 2 radius of the circumcircle. So that you can do. Okay, so this is actually class of coordinates. Only we have to do the